Hey everybody, I want to welcome you to Wednesday, and I hope you can hear this. Let me see if I can pull it up. We are all online learning together, so I'm trying to keep my voice down a little bit. For this Wednesday, there are a couple things I want you to do. First of all, we are going to try to schedule 2 Zoom meetings, one for next week and one for the week after. Just short ones, but an ability to kind of connect with each other and also to share. I know that all of your schedules are pretty crazy, so I did do a Google or Doodle link here, Doodle poll. So could you please click on this and give me an idea of what times might be good for you, and I'll schedule it at the time that the majority of the people can come. Also, don't forget that this week I want you to respond to the Flipgrid. And that's your accountability check for this week. And if you can't remember how to do that, it's actually on the previous message right here. It says, instead of a quiz, I want you to participate in the Flipgrid. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to click on here, and it's going to take you right to your Flipgrid. You're going to want to log in with Google, and you're going to want to log in through your UNE. So if you have multiple Google accounts, you're going to want to log in, as I do, through your UNE account. And then you want to give me a takeaway. What is something that you that you got from the readings, the video, the lecture this week? And all you need to do is click on this plus and respond your takeaway. It's that easy. And I thought it'd be something a little different this week in a way for us to all see each other. So please make sure you do that. Tell us one takeaway you have for the reading, and then just, watch some other people's as well. And that is your accountability check this week. So I just wanted to remind you of that. And then the last thing I wanted to remind you is that while there is no official assignment this week, please don't forget about your teaching reflection, your micro-teaching reflection that I want you to do by the end of the semester, since there's nothing big due this week. This week might be a good one to do it with. And also, I did give you more information about the Literacy Center assignment this week. Here we go. Oh, and let me go back. Number 1, Flipgrid. Number 2, don't forget about the inquiry questions. That is due at the end of the semester, and you can find a new assignment description for that in assignment description. Number 3, your micro-teaching reflection. Please make sure you do that at some point. And number 4, the Literacy Center, and that is a new assignment as well. So go to assignment descriptions, and you will see I have updated the Literacy Center assignment. So I'm going to click on it right now, and I'm just going to take a minute to go through this with you. If I can get this, let me see if I can open it. Okay, here we go. Updated Literacy Center. Again, this is a 10-point assignment, and I just wanted to share with you kind of the new assignment. So previously, you're supposed to do 4 centers, and that clearly seems not doable at this point. So for this assignment, you're going to create 1 literacy center that could be used in a kindergarten class to support literacy. Or you could always create a family literacy activity. Remember, we had that family literacy backpack activity? Maybe you started that and really liked your idea. If you want to go in that direction, that's fine too. Your choice. You're going to create a handout. That's your product from this for this assignment. A handout for our classmates about the center. Your handout must have the following parts. You must identify the literacy skill that the center is going to support. You're going to specify the procedures. So what are the students going to do? So let's say it's phonemic awareness, and they're going to do this. You're going to provide a list of materials. And since you might not have physical materials, you may want to go to Google, get some photos and a material list so someone could replicate this center. And then I want you to write an explanation about this center. How does the center support literacy growth? How does the center provide for multiple innovative hands-on experiences? How does the center encourage engagement and motivation? So that's kind of your real written part. And then the last is you're going to share the center with us. There's 2 ways you can do it. Number one, you can come to the Zoom meeting that I'm going to set up once I hear back from you all. And or if you can't attend, and I understand that that might not happen, you can also share it through the discussion board. So let me go back. Oops, don't save. So here's the discussion board right here. And you can see it says Literacy Centers right here. Actually, don't worry about the family involvement. That's for next week. Literacy Center, please share your Literacy Center materials here. And so if you can't come to our Zoom and share it with us personally, you'll have to do it here as well. So those are some of my announcements this week. I hope you're having a good week, and I'll see you all soon. Hopefully I'll see you all on Zoom soon. Bye.